Maybe Travel, and today we are going to be checking out a 2-bedroom villa at Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. This is in Ko Olina, so on Oahu in Hawaii, and beautiful room, absolutely beautiful resort. But we're going to check out the 2-bedroom, which is in the DVC tower, so a Disney Vacation Club location, but can be booked on a cash rate as well. So even if you're not a Disney Vacation Club member, doesn't matter, this can still be a room that you can stay in. As we walk into the room here, you're going to walk into the kitchen, and you do have a full kitchen. So you can see we've definitely been taking advantage of having our kitchen here. You do have a full stove and microwave setup here. You have all of the things that you would need. So different bowls, cutlery, everything like that is going to be already in there when you get in. You do have a dishwasher, and then of course you also do have a refrigerator. You will have a Keurig, so it's going to be both a drip coffee as well as the Keurig pods that you can get there, and then you can always call down to get more if you do need those. And then if you're a tea drinker like me, you do have a tea kettle, which is really nice, as well as a toaster. Across the way from the kitchen is going to be the first bathroom. So this is just going to be a half bath. And of course it is still pretty spacious. So really nice to have if you have a big group that's going to be staying together. And again, just a half bath, but nice option if you do have, the full amount of people in this room. Right outside of the kitchen is going to be the seating area. So you will have this bench that kind of wraps around it, plus some smaller benches that you can pull out. And then you do have your living room area. This is going to be a queen sofa that pulls out, or full-size sofa, I should say. And then you do also have this, which is going to be just like a twin, basically. So this chair here will actually pull out, so you can have somebody else sleeping there. You do have your own balcony here, and we have an island garden view. So this means that we are looking out on the area where they do the luau each evening, and also where they have some character meet and greets, but really nice spot to be able to watch the sunset or the sunrise in the morning. And then of course you do have a TV here as well. And across the way is where you will have your washer dryer unit. This is definitely a benefit when you're staying here, because if you have bathing suits or anything like that, or you're making a long trip and don't want to have to pack for, a number of days, you can make sure that you take use of this, and they do provide laundry detergent for you. This is the master bedroom, and so you'll have your king size bed. You do have a desk over here. And then this is going to actually be a separate balcony that you have as well. So this balcony is going to be only entered from this room. So the owner's suite. You will have a pool here, a TV here, of course. And then this is going to be the bathroom. You have a nice big closet here. Obviously, we are taking use of our space. You do have the water closet, which is going to be a separate area. And then you have a nice rain shower, the sink, and then a beautiful tub as well. Right across the way is going to be the other bedroom. So you have 2 queen beds here. And this, of course, is going to be able to sleep up to 4. What's nice about this is you do have those raised beds. So you can put your luggage under there, make use of a lot of space. You do have another bathroom here that's going to have the water closet as well as the rain shower. And that one does have a tub, which is nice. You'll have your desk over there. And then this will also have a door out to the balcony here too. So beautiful view. And this is the same one. It's connected to the balcony that you can get to from the main living room. So that's going to be it for the 2-bedroom villa at Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to reach out. I'd love to hear if you have stayed here. Comment below. And as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We share lots of tips and tricks for Disney and other resort locations. And if we can help you plan your next vacation, reach out below.